In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock someone in Splitwise. Maybe you blocked someone in the past and now you need to share expenses with them again. Don't worry, unblocking a person in Splitwise is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through the exact steps and you can follow along on your own screen. First, open Splitwise in your web browser and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're on the main Splitwise page, look toward the upper right hand corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. It might be your initials, your photo, or a simple avatar, depending on how your account is set up. Click on that profile icon and a small menu will drop down. From this menu, choose the option labeled Your Account. This will take you to your account settings page where you can manage things like your personal details, notifications, and privacy options. On the account settings page, look for a section related to blocking or privacy. Here, you'll see an option called Manage Your Block List. Go ahead and click on Manage Your Block List. This is where Splitwise keeps a list of all the people you have previously blocked. After clicking, you'll be taken to a page that shows every user you have blocked on your account. Take a moment to review this list and find the person you want to unblock. If you don't see them, double check that you're signed into the correct Splitwise account, since block lists are specific to each profile. Once you've found the person you want to unblock, click on their name or on the unblock option next to their name. Splitwise may show you a confirmation message or a small pop-up asking if you're sure you want to unblock this person. This is just to make sure you don't do it by accident. Confirm that you want to unblock them by following the on-screen prompts. After you confirm, that person will be removed from your block list. This means you'll once again be able to be in the same groups, share expenses, and interact with them normally within Splitwise. And that's all there is to it. By going to your account settings, opening your block list, and confirming the unblock action, you can easily